Yay, it's raining outside. Not really anymore. Oh, the rainbow's gone. So yeah, I'm outside, having a good time, playing by myself, because I'm a loner. Yep. What I've been doing, really, because I'm so bored, is just stopping the water. Whee! Oh, look at it go! Oh my god! I'm such an interesting person. My life is so interesting. You're all jealous of my interesting life. Going for a walk. A lot of fun. This is what I do on Saturdays when I'm this bored. Yep. I hate the pee. But yeah. This is what I'm doing right now. I'm such an interesting person. So jealous of me, huh? Wish your life was just as amazing and amusing as mine. I know you do. It's true. I'm just that awesome. I feel like that one guy, the ginger guy who's always outside posting his videos going like, "Gingers do have souls!" I feel like him right now because I'm out here recording myself, looking around and stuff. But, yeah. So, my name's Awesome Barsch. This isn't a vlog, this is just me being fun. Because I'm so fun. I'm jealous. But, bye.